Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can customize the frames per second on your Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to display and go to motion smoothness. It took me a while until I found it because I couldn't have guessed that it's under motion smoothness. So the settings to make are under motion smoothness. So we have the high and then the standard one. Get smoother animations and scrolling with a 120 screen refresh rate, or the standard, get longer battery life with a 60 screen refresh rate. So we have the high now. So we will set it to standard now, go back and then scroll. And then we'll do the same thing with the high again. And it does look smoother. I have to say it does look smoother. You can also see it here. So you can go ahead and choose whatever you like best, like if you want a smooth screen, smooth scrolling experience, or if you want to have a longer battery life. That's totally up to you. I also think that the standard isn't too bad if you need a longer battery life. So yeah, you can totally go ahead, choose whatever you like, and go back and then, well, enjoy either the really smooth screen and scrolling or a longer battery life. So that's how you can customize the frames per second on your Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.